Have you ever had a dispute with your neighbor over an overhanging tree? Overhanging trees and shrubs can be a source of property disputes. It's important to understand your rights and responsibilities in these situations. In the UK, if a tree from your neighbor's property overhangs onto yours, you are entitled to trim it back. However, you must avoid trespassing to do so. Conversely, the tree owner could be held accountable for any damage their tree may cause. Remember, it is important to respect property boundaries and the law when dealing with overhanging trees. Overhanging trees can cause a myriad of issues, from property damage to simple nuisances. They can obstruct views, lead to structural harm during storms, or even create extra maintenance work with the constant dropping of leaves and twigs. If you find yourself in such a predicament, start by initiating a conversation with your neighbor. Seek professional advice if necessary. In cases where direct communication fails, consider mediation. A neutral party can often assist in finding a resolution. Approaching the situation with understanding and diplomacy can often prevent the issue from escalating. The financial implications of dealing with overhanging trees can be complex and substantial. Generally, tree maintenance or removal falls under the responsibility of the tree owner. However, if a tree overhangs another property, the affected neighbor has the right to trim it. But this is usually at their own expense. It's not just about trimming costs, though. If disagreements escalate into legal disputes, the costs can quickly mount up. These can include legal fees, potential damages, and more, all of which can be significant. Now, let's talk about prevention. Regular maintenance of your trees and shrubs is a good start. This not only prevents disputes, but also keeps the trees healthy. Knowing your property boundaries is also crucial. Plant any new trees and shrubs well within your property lines to avoid future issues. But perhaps the most important preventive measure is maintaining good neighborly relations. Being proactive in maintaining good relations with your neighbors can go a long way in preventing disputes over overhanging trees.